say 30 because of housing. There's no signs anywhere.
Love it.
And there's also street lights.
I've covered it now here,
Straight
just
on.
in case. Yeah, straight on.
Do I give way to
No.
them?
No. Who did you give way to?
It's right, isn't it?
Right, yeah. Who did I give way to?
Us.
Yeah, good.
Oh, okay. So would you say there's be enough distance roughly?
I think that's good.
Assessed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you get out of this if he breaks down?
Yeah.
That's good then.
Oh, okay, so it's just basically giving yourself enough distance to, if something happens in front, you can either move out the way or get around it.
Spot on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So he's left quite a lot of room there. I
That's
don't know
because
why.
it's a lorry though, isn't it? Would you
Yeah.
give more space to a lorry?
Yeah, because he's keeping vision. So he might have done that. He's got vision down the road. He can see what's going on.
Yeah.
That's maybe why he's doing it.
Okay.
But yeah, tyres and tarmac is a basic rule. You can see you can see the tyres and the tarmac of the car in front.
Yeah.
But then, like say with that truck there, he's left a bit more room for the truck because obviously it's bigger, and he might have thought their position for vision.
Yeah.
So he's keeping more than tyres and tarmac. And look, he looks like he's planning to do something.
I know, it looks like he's about to turn off that way or something.
Yeah. But yeah, sometimes, and depending on the location, maybe on a hill.
Could you stop? Oh, am I really supposed to be stopping there? But
What are you worried about there?
what's a bus stop?
Okay.
I know that's probably a bit too close, but
You guys do this a lot.
what?
You go over the bus stop.
Yeah, can't you go through them?
Over the bus stop. Can you stop in a bus stop?
No,
Why not?
you just can't.
Why?
I don't know.
There's a wasp outside your window.
Nice to meet you.
Big one as well.
Things like that don't bother me.
So you went, bus, right? Why?
Because it's not parking restriction, but it's a restriction on the road, isn't it?
How?
Because there's a big vehicle.
Where's the bus
There's no
coming from?
buses from this way, that way.
Okay, so we're in traffic now. We're stopped in the bus stop.
Oh yeah, there's nowhere for it to go, is there? So
I always say, is it coming from above like a little helicopter?
you never know in this day and age.
And you go, oh yeah, no, yeah. So you guys, I think, get mixed up a little bit between bus stops and bus lanes.
Yeah.
Bus lanes will have a solid line.
Okay.
Depending on the sign, that'll give you information.
Yeah.
Maybe you can use the bus lane, maybe you can't, depending on times.
Yeah.
Or maybe like the one in Southport, you can never use the bus lane.
Yeah.
Video on that coming soon.
That's on down all the way down Lord Street. Is it Lord Street, the big main one? Yeah, it's all the way down there,
It's
isn't
an
it?
active bus lane all the time.
Yeah.
Move forward. Oh no, you've left. No, I'll let you off of this one. Leave that free.
That's.
I like it. Good.
Thank you.
It's a
That's what I
crossing
wanted.
point.
Exactly.
I wasn't thinking then. So